We had a question come in. What do you think about nutritional yeast? Do you want to maybe mention that?
Yeah.
You're our yeast
I make
perfecter.
homemade bread. So here's the thing. Nothing's off limits again when it's made homemade. There's nothing wrong with bread if it's made the right way. And in fact, bread should only be made with 3 ingredients: flour, water, and salt. So I make my own sourdough at home.
It's amazing.
It's a probiotic. It's delicious. But when it comes to nutritional yeast is full of B vitamins. So I think many of us are deficient in B vitamins. People are taking B vitamin complex supplements. Our kids are deficient in B vitamins. It's really important for pregnancy. So what I like to do is just throw in nutritional yeast into smoothies.
Okay.
And it's super easy. You can also mix it in dishes because it adds kind of a cheesy flavor. So a lot of vegans use it in place of cheese.
So it's a nice addition to making
Yeah.
sure we're getting some nutrients. Again, using food. You know, what's the quality of the nutritional yeast? Is
Yep.
it the cheapest you can find? Is it the highest quality? Paying
Yeah,
attention to
it's not the yeast you use in bread or
Right.
to make bread rise. It's a totally different thing.
nutritional
So.
yeast. Great question.